The point is that we have to be very, very observant of what's going on around us. And when a person is sensitive, again, it boils down to the same thing. It's our ego. I can walk into the house and I had a bad day, and my kid will do something, I'll snap at him. It's my problem, not his problem. Now, most people will not catch themselves and go back to the 4-year-old or the 10-year-old and apologize. You know what? I had a bad day, I'm sorry I screamed at you. Because why? Because, he's a little kid. He's my worker. The point is that if I humble myself and everybody's greater than me because I'm not that great, then I allow myself to become a vessel that receives. Everything in this world is divided in two things, a vessel and a light. The light goes into the vessel. Everything in this world has a vessel. If I want now water, I need a vessel to catch the water. Everything I do, I need a vessel in order to receive something. The vessel can be physical, can be also spiritual. I want God's blessing, I need to create some type of a vessel. That's what I told you. You clean yourself, then you become a vessel to get what God wants to give you.